Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft a shield in Minecraft. So first thing, you'll need the wood and iron. Let me show you the recipe real quick. Here it is. So place the wood planks like this and take the iron bar and place it right here. You can use any type of wood and that way it will change how the shield will look like. So here's our shield and now we can use it. Now if you want to know more about the resources, the iron is acquired by mining the iron ore. You can find it deep under the, or not so deep. You can basically find it anywhere in the world, but in the mines it's most easy to do it. Then smelt the iron ore that you mined with your pickaxe in a furnace. You'll get some iron ingots. The next thing is a wood, so you just need to chop down some wood, craft the wood planks from the wood logs, and that way you'll get the wood planks. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.